In this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can bold text on Instagram. So if I just tap on the plus icon right there to create a new post real quick to show you here, then I tap on post. Just going to select, I'm just going to take a photo real quick. So I'm just going to do this as an example. So I'm just going to speed through this, but here's the caption. If you type out your caption and you're happy with it, you notice that there's no options there to bold the text or underline the text or do anything with the text. So what you have to do to be able to bold this text is you have to use a third-party website. So you can go onto any web browser on your phone. I use Google Chrome, and then you go to google.com and you can just type it in, how to bold text on Instagram. You'll see all these options pop up, but I'm just going to tap on the first one that pops up there. That one looks good to me. So this one's called Lingo Jam, and what you need to do is just put in your text here. So I'll just type hello there. And then you'll notice at the bottom, it has all these different options that you can choose from. And some of them are bold and some of them aren't. So I'll just choose this bold sans. You just long press onto it and then you tap on copy. Then you can go back into Instagram. And then you just want to get rid of that text. Long press on where it says write caption and then tap on paste. And it just copied the there part. So I'll go back into Chrome. And I think I copied the wrong thing. So you need to select the whole thing, go to copy, go back into Instagram. Then I'll try that one more time. Long press where it says write caption and then paste. And there you can see it is now bold, and that's pretty much it. So if this video helped you out, don't forget to drop a like on this and subscribe for more. And I'll see you in the next video. Take care.